Take this arm and put it on your right shoulder. There you go. Sore?
Yep. It's like it feels good and bad at the same time.
Okay. I'm gonna bruise a little bit back here.
That's fine. A lot of scar tissue.
This isn't too bad. Maybe a little bit on this side. Starting to swell a little bit. Look up again. Still feeling it here?
Not as much, actually. Nothing now.
Okay. What about this way?
Do it again. Like
At the end?
at the end, like right there.
Okay. Anything here?
Nothing.
Nothing? Slowly turn to the left. Again. See it when you turn on your own?
See? It only hurts here.
You can, yeah, don't be afraid to like come close. You can get behind me too. And,
Okay.
I'm gonna pretend you guys are not here, so I don't get nervous.
We're here. So. We are very much here.
Man, you're doing great.
Thank you.
So this muscle is the levator scap.
Mm-hmm.
This is what I feel is pinching, not really the upper trap. Ready?
A lot of cracking.
Yeah. Slide down just a little bit towards your feet. And bend your knees for me. Both of them. Any pain or discomfort here?
No.
I don't think I've ever seen your tattoos.
No?
No.
No. All of them are anime related.
Oh, really?
Yeah. These two are from Naruto. This one's from Dragon Ball Z, and then this one's from One Piece.
I only know Dragon Ball Z. I've heard of Naruto.
Yeah, I love anime.
There's I think here in Fort Lauderdale there's a school for graphic arts design.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think.
Do you have people in your team at work or is it just you?
No, yeah. Oh, we have. That's the spot.
There's a huge knot in here.
Yeah.
Can we get some shots from behind me?
Mm-hmm.
I'll like focus to it.
Yeah.
Like maybe if you can get like real close to me, like where I'm blurry,
Mm-hmm.
but you can still see, like kind of tell what I'm doing.
Yeah, like the
So-
procedure.
Yeah.
I got like a couple of those.
Okay.
I like to save them just to show you. See if
Okay.
you kind of like them.
Yeah, I'm not looking for anything in particular. I just want to see like how it would come out.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. What's in my face?
Me nervous.
Manny, what do you like to eat?
What do I like to eat? Everything. I like burgers. I like pizza. I have a big, big sweet tooth.
Oh, really?
So I have a second stomach for desserts.
Same.
This guy will eat like a whole box of donuts.
Oh yeah, same here.
He knows.
Sugar is like, it just opens up your appetite. I don't know what it does. It's crazy. It's like I'll be full at a restaurant and then they bring the dessert menu around and there I am like, oh wow, how can I still fit more food?
But you know high fructose corn syrup actually does that?
It does what?
It actually there's something in it that sends a message to your brain telling you that you're not full.
I believe it.
And that's why people get so overweight.
I believe it.
It's
like it's true.
It's real.
I know firsthand.
And this does what? Like break up the scar tissue, I guess?
Yeah, whatever is superficial, it can break that up. This is called Graston. Do you notice, or do you have any bicep weakness compared to the other side?
This one is weaker than this one.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay. So usually when I do this, when I flex your knee and your hip comes up like that, there's usually tightness in your psoas or your quads, your rectus femoris. Now this side feels a little bit tighter.
Yeah, it does.
Keep this leg straight up with your knee straight. Yep, good. And this one. One at a time.
Oh.
Good, relax. And this one. Okay. You don't have a lot of extension.
Is that good or bad?
It's not great. Do you do lunges?
I do.
How do you feel after you do lunges?
Sometimes it's honestly like a hit or miss. Sometimes I feel really good while doing them, and other times I feel really stiff.
Okay. So for a low back or in the glutes?
Both.
Okay. Let me know if this hurts your back.
Okay.
You don't get any knee pain, right?
No.
Hurts?
Uh-huh.
IT band?
Quad. Alright. Actually, let me just. Crack today? Breathe in, breathe out. So tiny. The last ones have been so nice. Turn on your side facing this way.
This way?
Yeah. Straighten out that bottom leg. This one. Bring your hips a little bit closer. Right there. Needle time.
Yay. Bless you.
That was a very dry cough, actually.
Oh, okay. That feels so weird.
Just relax. Wiggle the toes a little bit. Do you feel how, like, some areas it feels a little blocky when I'm putting the needle in?
Mm-hmm.
That's the scar tissue.
Oh, I see.
Did that one twitch?
Yeah.
Okay. That's for the levator that we talked about.
Mm.
Now for the fun part. Start with the lateral quad and the middle quad. You feel it?
Yeah.
Is it sharp?
No.
Okay, good. How's that?
I feel it.
Not too strong?
Nope.